Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 15318 Class 5 trailer hitch on the 1995 Dodge Ram. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 20 to 40 minutes depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Raise the hitch into position, aligning the attachment points of the hitch to the mounting holes in the frame. Install the SP71 square hole spacers and the 9/16" carriage bolts into the mounting frame holes and down through the rearmost hitch attachment points. Fasten the hardware with the supplied hex flange nuts. Install the remaining SP1 and 1/2" carriage bolts into the remaining foremost attachment points and fasten with the hex flange nuts. Drilling may be required if frame mounting locations do not exist. Use the hitch as a template if necessary. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 15318 Class 5 trailer hitch on a 1995 Dodge Ram. Find the right custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness for your truck and be tow ready. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.